Good afternoon team. Welcome to Shetty Forex. You all know that we have developed our new dashboard. It is called as DJ Scalper Dashboard. It can be used on any time frame from M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, daily, any you can use it. From scalping to positional trading also. Okay, and any pair, any stocks, any Bitcoin currencies, anything you can use this one. And as we have mentioned here, like three modes are there. First one is standard, aggressive and conservative. Three modes we have updated or put in our dashboard. You don't have to do anything, you just need to change in the input whether if you want standard, aggressive or conservative. Standard is basically for a swing trader, aggressive is basically for a scalper kind of. I usually use aggressive one, and conservative is something like in between, like standard and aggressive kind of. So let's move to the chart. This is our chart, and as it has been mentioned over here, like DJ Scalper Dashboard, Shetty Forex, and here our time frame is that today market is closed. So like market time is not there, like London, USA, Tokyo, all time frame you can see which market is on and off. You will come to know even your home and server time is also there. All these pairs are there which I have aligned in a symmetric manner, like from gold, XAUSD, BTC, Euro USD, all major pairs are there. Apart from that, you can see all Euro pairs are in a line, GBP pairs are in a line, USD pairs are in a line, New Zealand, CHF, all are there. Here you will get latest signals. Okay, just you need to, as soon as you will get a signal, you need to press here the symbol, so automatically the chart will be opened. So for an example, if I press JPY, so you have got your chart. Okay, you can see here our input. You can set like M15, M30, H1, H4, and as I have said, I have put aggressive mode. Multiple modes are there: conservative, standard, aggressive, custom. Even you can make your own strategy also, whatever you will prefer. Okay, so your period is 20, and we have put all those things are there. If you want to keep all this true, you can keep it, like email, push notification, sound alert, time zone, everything is there. So as I said, just you need to press the symbols, so automatically the chart will be get opened. So this is our, see here we have got this Bollinger Band new setup I have tried to make from a PPT, from a PDF file which I have got. So you just need to put here, see all these signals are there here. The green Bollinger Band means it's a buy opportunity, red means it's a sell opportunity. So we have got here signals, so you can easily get 5 to 10 pip. If you will see here, see here, you got a signal, you just check out here it is 11 pip. You got signal over here, so it is going over there, so it is more than 50 pips. So it's a time M15 I usually trade just for scalping. You got a signal, if you want to keep it you can keep, otherwise you can you don't take a trade, you can exit that trade. You see here, and this the center Bollinger Band is basically, it will work as a support and resistance. Okay, I will repeat again, the center line of Bollinger Band will work as a support and resistance. See here, so as soon as we got the signal, but it has touched this line, the middle of Bollinger Band, so it has worked as a support over here, so it went back. So sometime you need to take care of this one also. Even this time is a market closing time, and even the last day, Good Friday was there, so that's why there was no trading movement. See, check here, my just intention is to get 5 to 10 pip. See here, 12 pips. See here, you got a signal here, it taken a pullback, but it has come down to here. Okay, 11 pip here. see here. So it from here it has come to here, like 28 pips are there. So now we will check another pair, M15. See here, $24 pip. If we will hold and check here, 65 pip. Till here 78 pips are there. So when it will be on below or bottom, below or above this red and the green Bollinger Band, you can enter and keep a small stop loss of 10 to 15 pip. Okay, 10 to 15 pip stop loss you can keep it, and easily you will get a signal, because you just need to press this one, any pair. As soon as you will get a signal, you can move to that pair, and you can check whether it is a valid signal or not. If you feel it is not a valid, so avoid it, because in a day more than 50 signals you will get. So there is no hurry, or you don't have to do any rush to get the signal. Easily you can get your signals, multiple signals you will get in a day. Okay, and as you all have requested to drop the price of this one, so I agreed with that with my coder also. So we will keep our from $2,208 we have planned for this one, but you all have requested, so we will keep only $158 for this one, just for you all, because Corona is there. We also believe that you should also earn. So $158 for this one. You all can contact me in my Telegram. My link is there, even my channel is there, so you can contact me and you can get your this indicator. And this is a licensed one, so one MT4 one license, and discounted from $208 to $158 now, discounted new price. One MT4 and what to say, one license for one MT4 you will get. Okay, thanks a lot, please, and please take care.